You think you're smart? Try this question. 4 to the x minus 2 equal to 40. What is the value of x? In order to solve this question and find the value of x, I'm going to take log from both sides of the equation. So I'm going to write log of 4 to the x minus 2 is equal to log of 40. So as you know, the exponent of the logarithm here, it goes to the front, or we can write the exponent as a coefficient in the logarithm. Let's go and do it. I'm gonna write x minus 2 as a coefficient, and log of 4 is equal to log of 40. So, and then I'm going to divide log of 4 in both sides of the equation. In left side, log of 4, and right side as well, log of 4. So I'm gonna, now I can cancel out this log of 4 with log of 4, and we will have x minus 2 is equal to log of 40 divided by log of 4. So here what can I do? I'm gonna write this log of 40 as a 4 times 10. So I'm gonna write this as x minus 2 is equal to log of 40. Instead of 40, I'm gonna write 4 times 10 over log of 4. Very good. And you know in mathematics that if we have log of multiplication of two numbers, for example x times y, and in a specific base, for example base a, we can write this as a log of x to the a to the base a plus log of y to the base b. So sorry, to the base a. So if you have a specific base, here you can write as an addition of logarithms. Let's go and apply this in our question. Here x minus 2 is equal to log of 4 plus log of 10. Here the base is 10, guys, and also log of 4 over log of 4. When we do not have base, the base of the logarithm is 10. Let's go. I'm gonna write x minus 2 is equal to log of 4 to the base 10. We're going to write just log of 4, and log of 10 to the base 10, you know that this part is going to be 1. So plus 1 over log of 4. X minus 2 equal to log of 4 to the base 10. We are going to separate the our fraction. We can write like this as well, log of 4 to the log of 4 plus log of plus 1 over 4, 1 over log of 4 here as well. And what we can do now, we can divide this too. That becomes x minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 over log of 4. So I'm gonna move 2 to the right side of the equation. I would have x equal to 1 plus 2 plus log of 4, 1 over log of 4. And then x is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 over log of 4. So this is our final answer to this question. See you in the next lesson.